Okay, so we've expanded a logarithm. How about we do the opposite and we condense a logarithm? When we condense a logarithm, that means to take many different logarithms and use our logarithm rule to write it as one single logarithm. Let's take a look with an example. All right, so our first example. Now, when you're doing these, you should always take care of the exponents, which are the numbers out in front, first. And that's because you can't apply the multiplication or division rule to things that are multiplied out in front by anything except 1. Remember, multiplication rule is log of A plus log of B equals log of AB. It's not 2 log of A plus 3 log of B equals log of AB. So let's use the exponent rule and knock out these coefficients. So using the exponent rule, this turns into log base 5 of z squared plus log base 5 of x cubed. So the number out in front just came up as an exponent. All right, now that we've got nice just log plus log, we can use our multiplication rule to condense this down to one logarithm. So there we go. When we have log of z squared plus log of x cubed, it gets condensed to log of z squared times x cubed. Congratulations, you've condensed your first logarithm. Let's try another. Here we go. So again, we're going to start with the numbers out in front and use our exponent rule to change them so that then we can use our multiplication and division rules. So let's do that. There we go. All right, so we brought the 4 up. So we have log base 2 of 2 to the 4th, log base 2 of x squared, and then log base 2 of y cubed. All right, next we can start to use our division rule for these first two. Log base 2 of 16 over x squared minus log base 2 of y cubed. Now we've got one more division rule to use. When we have this log minus this log, that means that we have the log of this one divided by that one, so we just put y cubed in the denominator. Now, just as a tip to check your work, notice how from up here, our variable x and our variable y, they both had negative signs in front of them, and they both ended up in the denominator, as they should. So when you look at this first line, remember eventually that everything with a positive in front of it is going to be in the numerator, and everything in the negatives is going to be in the denominator. Hope this helps. Next, we're going to look at some common mistakes that students make when condensing or expanding logarithms.